How to unlike all your posts or all the posts you have liked till now, how you can simply unlike all of the posts at once on your Instagram account here on your PC. Firstly, you just have to log into your official Instagram account using your username and then your password. And whenever you will open the Instagram in front of you, you can see this is the home page. There is a lot of things I can modify, but I will click on the more option on the left top of the screen. From this, click on your activity option in this menu, and then you will see the first one is interaction. And in interaction section, you can see how many posts I have liked till now. Then click on the select option on the right top, then start selecting the post which you simply want to unlike. Let me just click that, and then here on the bottom of screen there is an option to unlike these posts or reels. This is how actually you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.